I'm so excited to share this month's Thankful Garden Card Kit by mail with you. Kristina here, creating with Kristina. This card kit is packed with rich florals, soft textures, and a touch of sparkle. These cards are perfect for expressing gratitude or simply sharing a little beauty with someone special. Now, you will receive in the kit a half pack of this beautiful, and this is Floral Impressions paper, and you'll get half a pack, so 6 by 12 of each of these. And here's the back. Aren't those gorgeous colors? OMG. Oh, love, 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 love this paper. All right, you will also get in your kit a pack, a spool of the blue ribbon and a spool of the white ribbon. You'll also get the sparkly two-tone gems. You'll get all of the pieces for the cards cut. So these arches here would be cut out for you. Let's see, the white here. Now, if the card kit has a die like these leaves, I'll give you the scrap of garden green paper for you to cut the leaves out. I'll give you scraps of white paper for you to stamp, color, and cut out the floral images and so forth. But like this arch is also embossed with the mini corrugated embossing folder, so I'll do that for you also. So if the item doesn't come in the stamp set bundle, then I'll do that part for you and put it in the kit. But if it's included in the bundle, then you'll do that part as a part of the instructions. All right. So not only will you get the product, you'll get two of each of the cards. So you'll make two of these cards and so forth. You'll also get the envelopes, the written instructions, a PDF file to either print off or look at online, and then also in exclusive videos. So I will take you through how I made each of the cards. Now, and one last thing, I always include a special little thank you gift. Now, one more thing, there are 3 different options. So you can just get the kit, so the 8 card packets plus the product, or option 2, you can get all this plus add on the Thankful Garden bundle, which is the stamp set, the dies, and also the masks. The way you color the flowers is with the masks and the blending ink brushes. Really cool technique. Or you could just color them in if you wanted. And then finally, the last thing you could do is just order the tutorial. So just the PDF and the videos. Now, if you're on my team, I got you covered. Your tutorial is already free. I give you those. Every month I give my team my card kit tutorials. So you can use them either personally or in your classes or other things. Now, if you would like this kit, please send me an email, Kristina@creatingwithkristina.com. Okay, right there. Kristina@creatingwithkristina.com. And I will send you the link for the payment options. All right, here are the cards one more time. So there's this beautiful Fresh Freesia one, Petunia Pop. There's this beautiful Misty Moonlight one, beautiful Old Olive one, and then this really pretty Strawberry Slush one. So those are the cards. You get the paper, the bling, the ribbon, all the instructions, the video. So this Thankful Garden collection is a joy to create with. It's simple, it's elegant, it's full of heartfelt charm, and I can't wait to see your finished cards if you choose to get this. Thanks.